Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Infant Optics DXR-8 video baby monitor with interchangeable optical lens. The old monitor had a couple issues though. The port for charging broke off inside the monitor with no way to fix it, and the beeping sound was annoying every time you hit the top button to put the monitor to sleep wake up, but they addressed both issues with the new model. There's one button you hold on the camera after you select the camera button on the monitor's menu, so simple to find, and you can pair up to 4 separate cameras to one monitor. The new version also no longer makes the beeping sound when you want to change between the sleep black screen and the awake viewing screen, which is a huge improvement. If you've owned any baby monitor before, you know there are common problems: battery life, range, charge cable problems, charge connector problems. It'll last about 2 days with the screen off. You cannot beat the price and features of this monitor. Zoom is amazing to make sure your baby is breathing. Regular lens is great to see the entire crib. You can go higher or you can go lower, but this camera is absolutely amazing, worth every penny. The setup was very easy. The manual was easy to understand. It's basically plug and play. It gives you a peace of mind and you can see your baby clearly even in the complete dark. You don't have to second guess whether the old sound only monitor is working or not. This monitor is by far the best monitor. It has amazing quality compared to a lot out there. Also, it holds a charge for a very long time. Remove battery for 30 minutes, replace battery and plug back, and it should now hold a charge. It has all the bells and whistles you want, including temperature, zoom feature, night vision, and so on. It comes with an optical zoom camera which allows you to zoom in on your little one with crisp and refined clarity. In closing, you should buy this monitor if you are looking for a high quality offering in the sub 200 range. Monitors come very cheaply and expensively, but few combine the quality and price point like this one. It is great to have the camera and the extra features: ability to talk to child over monitor, night vision, etc. Maybe it was good for getting a wide angle of the room, but you could make out almost no detail at all on the night vision. It's got 2 lenses, which is very cool. The pan and scan function is automated and can be controlled from the parent unit, which is excellent. The menu items and functions on the parent unit are very intuitive, and even better so far, it has a very excellent battery life. After many hours of research and playing with display monitors in stores, found the Infant Optics DXR-8. Have to say, this option is very nice, especially when mounting camera. You don't have to worry about getting it in the perfect spot to see what you need to see. The monitor battery seems to last about 8-9 hours if the power saving option is turned on within the monitor. Would highly recommend spending the extra money and getting this monitor. You get what you pay for. It doesn't seem to keep her up, but it would be nice if there were no light, or if it were much smaller and on the back of the camera. The image is smooth and clear, no choppiness like our other monitor, and the camera moves fluidly and easily in many directions. Long-lasting battery on display could be taken to the other room if needed for almost a whole day. The handheld monitor is light enough to be portable and not worry about it getting in the way. No need for split screen, it would be too small and you couldn't hear audio for all 3 anyway. You can flip between 2 cameras very easily. The shortcut buttons for the sound and brightness are nice, and being able to move the camera is great too. That is missing from this unit, but you can switch the camera on whenever you want. The cameras that advertise live cams where you log in from your phone, don't buy them. The only bad thing about this is the battery life on the actual handheld screen. It cycles between the 2 cameras every few seconds, and the night vision is pretty clear. When the rooms are dark, the camera is clear enough for me to see if they are sucking their thumbs or if their eyes are open. The camera and monitor are compact with great features, including temperature, volume of the room, microphone, speaker, so you can talk through the camera, and infrared for night vision that automatically switches over in low lighting. The camera itself needs to be plugged in, but the wireless monitor is lithium battery charged, so lasts a while. Would highly recommend this for anyone who wants a wireless monitor to keep an eye on your baby, kids, pets, nanny, security, etc. Our son-in-law is very tech savvy and he had researched all the baby monitors available. It doesn't beep bloody murder at you in the middle of the night, or it can if you set the alarm on. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.